Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to change iCloud password on your iPhone, how can you change? So, for some reason you use your iCloud for years and because your privacy settings and security setting, you want to change your password. So I will explain clearly how to change your password on iCloud iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead to your setting. So go ahead to your setting on your iPhone first. So and then what you have to do next is at the top of your screen you can see your account, right? So this is your names, and beside your name you can see your Apple account, iCloud and more. So just click it. Okay, so this is your account, right? So the second thing that you need to do is enter your iCloud.com. You can see the four options: personal information, sign-in and security, payments and shippings, and subscription. So what we need to do is we need to navigate to the sign-in and security. So go ahead. Okay. So this is sign-in and security setting. We're gonna go through. Okay. So what we need to do next is enter emails and phone number. You're gonna see security and change password to further authentication. So if you want to change your password, just click change password here and wait for a while to verify it yourself. And what you need to do is you need to choose a secure password you can remember. So if you want to put your password, you just need to type new password here. Here I'm gonna put my new password. Okay, so after entering all your password and just continue. So your password must be as the eight character, include a numbers, one uppercase and one lowercase. So you need to take care about it and just continue to change. So if you change on your Apple account, if you already connect your Apple ID with iPad or MacBook, your account will be signed out. So if you don't want to sign out, don't sign out and you can change easily. So, as I mentioned before, your password needs to be at least 8 character. It includes the numbers, uppercase letters, and the lowercase letter. And just continue. And finally, you can change your password. So that's how to change iCloud password on iPhone, guys. I hope this will help you a lot and thank you so much. See you back, guys.